Good morning, students. Today we will write workbook and textbook part. Okay. Chapter 2, A Merchant's Son. Already we have completed the question answers and meanings. And today we will write workbook and textbook part. Okay. Now all of you open your textbooks. Open page number 15. Page number 15. Open. Okay, good. See, comprehension. A. Tick the correct option. Number 1. Merchant had a handsome young. What will be the answer? Option 1. Daughter. Option 2. Son. Option 3. Wife. So, what will be the correct answer? Yes, son. Right? So, give tick mark to son. Okay, see the next question. The book which the merchant's son bought had. Option 1, 5 verses. Option 2, 10 verses. Option 3, 1 verse. What will be the correct answer? Yes, you are right. 1 verse. So give tick mark to 1 verse. Next, see. Number 3. Who of the following visited a festival of the country? Option 1. Watchman's daughter. Option 2. Princess. Option 3. Potter's daughter. So, what is the correct answer, students? Yes. What? Who came? Yes, the princess, right? So, give tick mark to princess. Turn on the next page. See the next question. How many villages did the king gift to the merchant's young son? See, option 1, 10. Option 2, 100. Option 3, 1000. So, what is the correct answer? Yes, give tick mark to 1000. Now, question answers and all we have completed. Option D. Okay. Rhyming words. See. Supply 3 rhyming words for each of the following words from the story. Number 1. Not. So, what we have to write? The same sound. Two sound words we have to write. Not. Now, shall we write? Yes. Write down. Wrote. You can write your own if you can. Okay. W-R-O-T-E. Wrote. Next. Yes. Hot. H-O-T. Hot. And next. Yes. Repute. You can write your own one. Okay. R-E-P-U-T-E. Okay. Now see. Dark. K. K. K sound what? K. So. Tell me. Yes. Speak. S-P-E-A-K. Speak. Then. K sound. Task. T-A-S-K. Task. Then mistake. M-I-S-T-A-K-E. Mistake. Okay. Next, see. A rope. P. Pa. P. P sound. Rope. Yes. Tell me. Help. H-E-L-P. Help. Next, stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Then, hope. H-O-P-E. Hope. Now see, room. M sound. Room. Okay, tell me. Groom. Right? G-R-O-O-M. Groom. G-R-O-O-M. Yes, tell me, students. Reached. R-E-A-C-H-E-D. Reached. Then the sound. Talked. T-A-L-K-E-D. Talked. Then is lived. L-I-V-E-D. Lived. Okay. See the next question. Book. K sound. Yes, tell fast. Yes, drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Next. Speak. S-P-E-A-K. Speak. Next, K sound. Mistake. M-I-S-T-A-K-E. Mistake. K sound. Okay. Cut. T sound. T. Yes, tell me. Yes, slept. S-L-E-P-T. Slept. Next. Yes. Repent. R-E-P-E-N-T. Repent. Then regret. R-E-G-R-E-T. Regret. Okay. Next. Name. Moo sound. Firm. F-I-R-M. Firm. Next. Yes, tell me. Moo. Handsome. Right? H-A-N-D-S-O-M-E. Handsome. Next. Fame. F-A-M-E. Fame. Okay. Next. Way. A sound. Y sound what? A. So A sound. Day. D-A-Y. Day. Next. Day. T-H-E-Y. Day. Next. Away. A-W-A-Y. Away. Okay, students. Write neatly. You can write your own rhyming words. Okay. All the words can be divided into 8 parts. Are called the parts of speech. Okay. So parts of speech. What are they? Yes, there are 8 parts of speech. They are, first one, noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So these are 8 parts of speech. We all learned about noun. What is a noun? Can you tell what is a noun? Yes, a noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Right? So, see the example. Anupam brought a table on his bicycle. So, what is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, thing or animal. Right? So here in this sentence, what? The nouns Anupam, it is a person name. Then table, table is a thing. And bicycle, it is also a thing. Okay? So, see the next. A pronoun. What is a pronoun, my dears? Yes, pronoun is a word that we use instead of a noun. In the place of noun, we can use pronoun. Okay? But see the example. He gave me the book himself. Okay? So, he pronoun. Me is a pronoun. Himself is also a pronoun. Right? So, in the place of noun or name or things, in the place of that we will use a pronoun. Okay? He, him, her, herself, it, itself, like that. Okay? Now see, an adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective will tells us what type of or kind of or how many. The quality of the thing. An adjective will tell what kind of or how many or how much, what color, all will tell by adjective. Adjective means what? It will define the quality or quantity of a thing, person or animal. Okay. See the example. The old sage took care of 3 rabbits. See, the old sage. What type of sage? Sage is the noun here. So what type of sage is? He was very old. So old is the adjective here. Now 3, see, how many rabbits? 3 rabbits. So I told you, adjective will describe the noun, the quality or quantity of the noun. The sage is the noun here. It is an old sage. Now how many rabbits? Rabbit is also a noun. So how many rabbits? 3 rabbits. Okay. Now see. Exercise E. Fill in the blanks with suitable nouns from the brackets. Okay. See the first one. Tia made a cup of dash in the morning. So Tia made a cup of dash in the morning. See the options. Tea, milk. What will be the correct answer? Yes, cup of tea. Write down tea spelling here. Next, number 2. The dash gathered in the school. The dash gathered in the school. Options: students, people. So who will gather in the school? Yes, we all know this. Students, right? Write the spelling of students. S-T-U-D-E-N-T-S. Students, okay? Now, number 3. A dash makes our face look beautiful. Okay? A dash makes our face look beautiful. So, see the option. Smile, frown. What will be the answer? A dash. What makes our face look beautiful? Yes, smile, right? Write down smile spelling. S-M-I-L-E, smile. Next, the Ganga is a holy dash. Ganga is a river or lake? Yes, it is a river. So write here river. R-I-V-E-R, river. Okay. Number 5. There was a cricket dash between the 2 teams. Options: fight, match. So cricket, what? Match, right? Not fight. So write the spelling of match here. M-A-T-C-H, match. Now, about verb. What is a verb? We all know that verb is an action, right? See, definition. A verb is used to say what a person or thing does. So it is an action or a thing is, okay? Now see, plants grow into trees. So grow is the verb here. Now see, Mahima is very polite. So here verb is being, this is, right? They have a big house. Have. What they have? A big house. So here have is possession. This is be and it is doing. Doing means it's all verb. Okay. Now see, altogether you have to remember that a verb is an action. Okay. Now an adverb. Adverb will give meaning of a verb, adjective or other adverbs. So adverb will give the meaning to verb or adverb or verb. Verb or adjectives. Adjectives means what? It will describe the noun. See, the soldiers fought bravely. Here the soldiers, how they fought? Fought here verb. How they fought? Bravely. So I told you, adverb will give meaning to verb. How they fought? How? This is adverb. So it will give meaning to verb or adjectives. Okay. Now see, a preposition. A preposition is a word that will shows the relationship between a noun of or a pronoun and the other words. So preposition will show the what? Relationship between the noun or pronoun. Okay? What is the relationship? It will altogether it will tell the position where it is. Okay, it is the short method to remember preposition. It will show where. Okay, see, it will show the relationship. Relationship means it will show where or how, like that. Now see the meaning. Mayak put his shoes under the bed. So here under, where he put his shoes? Under. This is preposition. Under is preposition here. I told you, position. Now see, a conjunction. Conjunction means what? Joining of two words or group of words or sentences. Okay, so conjunction means joining of a sentence or joining of words. Okay, this is conjunction. So see here, Tanya answered all the questions politely and correctly. So we use conjunction here, and is conjunction here. Why? We join two words here, politely and correctly. So and is conjunction here. We add and, that is conjunction. And interjection. Interjection is a word that expresses some sudden feeling, emotion, etc. Okay? An interjection what? It is a word that expresses sudden feeling. See the example. Alas, he suffered from a heart attack. Okay, see. Alas, he suffered from a heart attack. So this is an interjection sentence. Means this sentence comes out from the heart or sudden feeling. This is right. Turn on the next page. Okay, see, in the following sentences circle the verbs and underline the adverbs. Okay, see, the watchman saluted the officer promptly. So here in this sentence, what is the verb? The verb is saluted. So circle saluted and adverb is promptly. Okay, see the next question. Surprisingly, the cubicles of the public restroom are clean. Okay, surprisingly, the cubicles of the public restroom are clean. So what is the verb here? Verb is are clean. Okay, so circle are clean. And what is the adverb? Surprisingly. Okay, next see, Raman worked hard for the test. So here, what is the verb here? Worked. Okay, and what is the adverb? Worked. Yes, hard. Hard is the adverb. Okay, how he worked? Hard. Okay, now the princess was happy again. The princess was happy again. What is the verb here? The verb is was. The verb is was. Okay, was, verb. What is the what adjective? Again. Okay, adjective is again. Next, the lion roared angrily. The lion roared angrily. The verb is roared. Okay, angrily is adverb. Okay, next, Manoj wrote the essay neatly. So what is the verb here? Wrote. Circle wrote. What is the adverb? Neatly. Underline neatly. Next, he used to work very fast. So what is the verb here? Used to work. right? Used to work. What is the adverb? How he used to work? Yes, very fast, right? This is the adverb. Now, a farewell party will be arranged tomorrow. What is the verb here? Will be arranged. Will be arranged is the verb. And what is the adverb here? Tomorrow. Tomorrow is the adverb. Okay. He always speaks the truth. He always speaks the truth. Okay. What is the verb here? Yes. Speaks. Then what is the adverb? Truth is the adverb. Okay, students? Now see, students, read the following passage and write the part of speech of the underlined words. Okay, here we have to write the parts of speech. Okay, noun, pronoun, verb. We learn no parts of speech. 8 parts of speech are there. So we have to see what parts of speech here we have to write. Okay, see the first one. Mr. Reddy plans dash to take his family for a picnic today. Okay, Mr. Reddy plans. Plans is the underlined word. So what type of parts of speech this is? Yes, it is a verb. So write down verb. Okay. Next. Therefore, they all are getting ready. His son Shaker is taking bath. Dash. Okay. So bath. Bath, what type of verb? What type of speech, parts of speech this is? Taking bath. Okay. So this is bath, here verb, right? It is an action, right? So verb. But he has forgotten to carry the soap. Mrs. Reddy is using a steam iron dash. Yes. Here iron. Steam iron means it is a noun. Okay. Iron and it is a noun. N-O-U-N, noun. To iron. See here the difference. Steam iron, this is a noun, a thing this is. But here iron is, it is an action here. So it is here verb. Okay. V-E-R-B, verb. Shaker's trousers. Moni seems to be excited. Mr. Reddy has decided to walk. Here walk. Walk means what? Yes, it is a verb. Okay. V-E-R-B, verb. Okay. But Mrs. Reddy rethinks that it would be a longer walk. Here walk. Walk means what? Yes, it is a noun here. Why it is a noun? It's not an action here. Longer walk. Okay. It is a noun. N-O-U-N. Noun. Okay. Now see, students, open your practice books. Open your practice books. See here. Exercise H. Write meanings for the following words. So you have to write the meanings of these questions. Already we have written these in our classwork. Right? Now see opposites. Write antonyms for the following words. See husband. Husband opposite is wife. Then precious, cheap. Have to write the spelling of cheap. C-H-E-A-P. Cheap. Now next 3. Young. Young opposite old. O-L-D. Old. Sufficient, insufficient. Okay. I-N-S-U-F-F-I-C-I-E-N-D. Insufficient. Next, number 5, daughter. Daughter opposite is son. Next, prince. Prince opposite peasant. Okay. Prince opposite peasant. Okay. Write this neatly. Fill in the blanks with the help of words in the box. See here we can see the box, help box. This is, and from these we have to select the words and complete this space that is allotted here. First question, see. The young man was dash of the merchant. The young man was dash of the merchant. What? Yes. Is it 1000? No. Son? Yes. So right here. S-O-N. Son. Okay. Next. The dash is old and broken. See, what is old and broken? Temple. Right? So right here. T-E-M-P-L-E. Temple. Next. The young man saved the bride from dash elephant. What type of elephant is that? It is a mad elephant, right? So write the spelling of mad. M-A-D. Mad. Okay. Now fourth question. The king gifted dash villages to the young man. How many villages the king gifted? Yes, 1000. So write the spelling of 1000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 1000. Okay. Now we have completed the textbook and workbook part, and you have to write everything from your in your workbook, and this all we have written in the textbook. Copy these from your textbook and send the workbook part and the textbook part to me. Have a nice day, students.